Today we're making jam, but this isn't just any jam recipe. This one has bacon in it. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero and we're gonna show you how to make maple bacon jam. Let's get started. This jam recipe is really easy to make and it doesn't require any sort of canning skills. You want to start by adding 1 package of diced bacon to a skillet and cook that over medium heat until the bacon is crispy. Then we're going to remove the bacon from the skillet and leave behind your bacon grease. To the skillet, we're going to add 1 onion that I have thinly sliced, along with 2 cloves of garlic that's minced up or grated. I'm just going to be using garlic paste. Cook that until your onions are translucent. This will take around 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add back in our bacon, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and to give it that maple flavor, we're gonna be adding ChocZero's maple syrup. Their syrups are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. We're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of their maple syrup. You'll also need 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Mix that all together, and then I'm gonna turn the heat down low and cover it and slowly cook it for around 30 minutes to an hour or so. You just wanna cook it until it starts to thicken. After that, we're gonna add this to a food processor and pulse it until all of it is broken up and combined. And it just creates this delicious, thick jam. This jam is perfect on burgers, steak. You could even put it on some low-carb bread. It stays in the refrigerator for up to a week, but you could even freeze this jam as well. Don't forget to tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your maple bacon jam.